latest addition to 333 Motoring Garage. A 1998 BMW E36 M3. Super excited to actually find one of these, let alone buy one. This is going to be a restoration project and ultimately a track car, which I'm excited about. I'm going to retire the F80 from the track there you see in the garage as well. Taking a look around this thing, I did score it for a good deal. This is kind of like what a good deal looks like. Oxidized paint on the trunk, on the roof, on the hood. You can see some of the molding there. It's got a little rust on it. This car definitely needs some TLC to get it back in its M3 state of mind for sure. It does have the Style 23 wheels on it, 17-inch alloy wheels. These are the cool ones in my opinion from the ones that this model does come with. The car has some cosmetic stuff. It's missing a grill up front. It's missing the center molding up front. Like I said, the paint is worn out. It is a low mile car. It's a clean title, passes smog. So those are all pros, and when you're looking at these cars, a lot of them are salvage titles now. It has the Vader seats in the interior. It's the Sahara, like tan looking color. Rear seats are in pretty good shape. So all in all, super pumped to actually acquire one of these cars. I've always wanted one. The journey of this car is going to be restoration and ultimately get it track ready. So I'm looking forward to that roadmap and sharing more videos along the way with everybody. So stay tuned for more content, more videos to come. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe.